Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the HD Streamz app to your Firestick or Android TV. The whole process is pretty simple and will take you only a couple of minutes. And first of all, what you have to do is get the app code downloader to your Firestick. You can actually get downloader totally free of charge. To do so, go to search on your Firestick and start typing downloader in the search bar. Yeah, I made a mistake. Should have been downloader. Yeah, so here we go. There is the downloader. As you can see, there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app because downloader already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on it, and that is the app that you gotta get to your Firestick. But after you get downloader, it's not over yet because you still have to set it up. So in order to get the downloader set up, we'll have to go to settings on your Firestick. There it is, and go to My Fire TV in your settings. And now in here, what you have to do is turn on the developer options on your Fire TV stick. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV sticks, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. You just have to go to About. So let's open it, then select Fire TV Stick, and now you gotta start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case, and in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which now have popped out for us right here. Let's open them. Make sure to turn on the 8-bit debugging. Then you have to go to install known apps, so let's do it, open it. And now here, what you have to do is just locate downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally we go to the list of apps on your Fire TV stick. So here it is. We have opened it, and there is the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire TV. But before actually using the loader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to New Zealand right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video, or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So we go straight into the list of apps on your Firestick device. Here it is. We open it up, and there's the downloader. So let's start the application. And the link is going to be hdstreamz.live. So let's enter that together. Once again, it's hdstreamz.live. And yep, here we go. There's the link. You can see it on your screen right now. Just enter it as you see and then click on go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firesticks. And now when the website has opened, you have to click on Android download button and then on download direct. And now the download of the app should start in a couple of moments. Yep, here it is. Usually it doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. In my case, I got a pretty fast connection, so that shouldn't take more than 10 seconds or so. And now when it is downloaded, let's click on install. And in a couple of moments the app will be installed to your Firestick. After that, don't click on open yet. Instead, press on done, because this way you'll have an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick device. So just click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself the free space that you need on your Fire TV. And now if you go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here, you will open it. And here's the HD Streamz application, which we just installed. So now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way the app is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.